Good afternoon. Now we continue video 14. So in last video, I wrote this question. So because actually we completed all the 4 exercises of chapter 1, real numbers, first chapter. So this will be the last video for this first chapter, and in between I will try to give some extra questions. Okay, that's a different thing. But so this video will be 14th video, it is just revision time. So I am taking some selected questions from first chapter, from chapter 1. Yes, please see how to find SCF of 3 numbers using Euclid's division algorithm. This is not there in textbook but can be asked in board exam. So whenever asking, so this type question we have in that, find SCF of 3 numbers using prime factorization. Second exercise we have, but this question is what? Find SCF of 3 numbers using, actually we have only for 2 numbers, Euclid's method. Now this is asking for 3 numbers, then how we do it? So in this case, first you write them in ascending order. First write the numbers in ascending order, means small to big. 44, 76, 78. Okay? So you know that 44 is smaller than 76, smaller than, like that. Then what we do? First we find SCF of first 2 numbers. We find first, what we do? First we find SCF of first 2 numbers using Euclid's method, please. By Euclid's division method, okay? So 76 is divided by 44. 44 ones are 44. Then 44 we write here. You know this method. Then 44 we write here. This we have done in first exercise. 32 ones are 32. Then we write 32 here. 12 twos are 24. Then we write 12 here. 8 ones are 8. Then we write 8 here. 4 twos are 8. When we get 0, we stop. So what is SCF? 4. This is SCF of first 2 numbers. First 2 numbers. Okay. So first you must write in ascending order. That don't forget. Now explain. By Euclid's division lemma. Yes, how we explain that? This A is equal to BQ plus R. Then 44 is equal to 32 into 1 plus 12. Then 32 is equal to 12 into 2 plus 8. Then 12 is equal to 8 into 1 plus 4. 8 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 0. So what is SCF? 4. Okay, SCF is 4. Now what we do? Answer not completed. We have to find out SCF of 3 numbers. Now we find finally SCF of this 4 and this last number. Okay, SCF of 4 and 78. So 78 we divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. See, 4 ones are 4. 3 left. 4 nines are 36. 2 left. Then we write 4 here. 2 twos are 4. 0. So what 78 is equal to? 4 into 19. 4 into 19 plus 2. Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 0. So what is SCF, please? 2. So it means SCF of 3 numbers is SCF of 44, 76, 78 is what? 2. What is the highest common factor of 3 numbers? 2. Okay? Because this video is only for revision of first chapter. Then next video we start the second chapter, polynomials. So please see, find SCF of 173. Two numbers 4756 by Euclid's division algorithm. So you know this already, it is there in first exercise. We divide the big number by small number. 173 twos are. Yes, 173 twos are 346. 2 3s are 6. 15 minus 6 9. 6 minus 4 2. Yes, this is left. Then I should write 6 from here. Correct? Then I should check now 173 how many times? 7 times I am taking. 6. 7 times I can take. 7 into this. Yes. So 6 minus 1 5, 9 minus 1 8. That's all. Now you can write 173 here. So this which we have done in first exercise. Last divisor we write here 85 twos are. 3 left. Then we write 85 here. Because this is remainder. We write 85 here. 3 twos are 6. 3 eights are 24. Okay? Because 5 I should write from here. 3 twos are 6. 2 left. 5 I should write. 3 eights are 24. 5 minus 4 1. Any number is there to write from here? No. 1 is remainder. Now you write last divisor here. 1 3s are 3. 0. When we get 0 we stop. Right? So how we write now by Euclid's? By Euclid's division lemma, this is equal to 4756 is equal to 173 into 27 plus 85. So 173 is equal to 85 into 2 plus 3. Then 85 is equal to 3 into 28 plus 1. Then 3 is equal to 1 into 3 plus 0. So what is SCF? 1. See, this is called SCF. Clear? So this is one revision type. So we are doing extra questions. Please see. Prove that. This is important question. 2 root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Is irrational. Also show that 2 root 3 plus root 5 dot 2 root 3 minus root 5 is a rational number. So this question was given in the board exam previously, CBSE, this from board papers. Extra question. Prove that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Long question. This we have in the third exercise this time. So you know that for this kind of questions, the method is what? It's long answer type. First we suppose, first bit, there are two questions. First bit, let us suppose to contrary that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. You know, this is the second type. We have two types of questions. Therefore 2 root 3 plus root 5 will take a by b, where b not equal to 0 and a b are what? Integers. Both a are b integers. Integer by integer is rational number. So we suppose wrong, contrary. Yes, now what we do, we take squaring both sides. Yes, please see. If we take squaring both sides, 2 root 3 plus root 5 squared, a by b squared, then we use the identity here, this identity, a plus b square. What is a plus b square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square by b square. So what is 2 square? 4, and square root cut 3, square root cut 5, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15 is equal to a square by b square. 12 plus 5 plus 4 root 15 a square by b square. So it is 12 plus 5 17 plus 4 root 15 is equal to a square by b square. Then 4 root 15 is equal to a square by b square minus 17. This 17 shift there minus 17. Then 4 root 15 is equal to a square by b square minus 17 by 1 into b square because here b square is there, so into b square. So 4 root 15 is equal to LCM is b square. Yes. Now what we write? Root 15 is equal to a square minus 17 b square by b by 4 comes down. Now we write, since a, b are integers, therefore this is an integer and even this is also integer. Both are integers. And integer by integer is what? Integer by integer is a rational number. So when this is rational number, root 15 is also rational. See, when this is rational, this is also rational, but this is wrong because we know that root 15 is irrational. So what we write after that? Which contradicts the fact that root 15 is irrational. Actually, fact is what? Root 15 is irrational. Okay. So how these two will be equal? No. Therefore, root 15 is not equal to this. Both are not equal. Yes. See, both are not equal. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What we write finally? Our assumption is wrong, and 2 root 3 plus 5 is irrational only. So we completed the first bit. Then what is the second bit, you see? Yes, please. It's second bit. Show that this is a rational. 2 root 3 plus root 5, 2 root 3 minus root 5. We have to show that it is rational. Here we use this identity. A plus b, a minus b. We know that a square minus b square by identity. A plus b, a minus b what? A square minus b square. So what is 2 square? 4. Square root cut 3, square root cut 5, 12 minus 5, 7. 7 is rational. We know that 7 is rational. It is proved. Okay. So this way we can do this. Then, because this is for revision, this video, revision of first chapter. Yes. Now just I complete last question. Find missing numbers in the following factor tree. Yes. See, one factor tree is given. Yes, please see. Even this also we have done already. These questions all we have done already. So, answer how we explain this. 3. Please see. 3, 455. Yes. Yes, please. So, again you should draw the same factor tree, right? You know that in fact this factor 3, this number is composite, this number is prime, this number is composite, always prime, composite, prime, composite, prime, prime. When you get both prime, we stop this. That is factor 3 actually. For every composite number, two factors. So which numbers you have to find out? You put stars. You put stars. So we have discussed already. Suppose you have to find out this number, right? How you get this number? Out of these two, one is known. So you divide this. You divide this, you will get this number. How you get this number, please? You divide this. 4095 divided by 3. How much? See, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 six are 18, 3 fives are 15. So what I am getting this, you see, 1365. Clear? If you multiply these two, you will get the same. 3 fives are 15, 3 fours are 15, and 1 16, 3 fours are 12, and plus 1 13. Now, how you get this number? When two boxes are known, we multiply. 7, 13 sevens are 91. Then how you get this number? 455 divided by 91. 91 fives are. So I got this. See, this divided by this, I got this. These two multiply, I get 91. 7 into 31, 7 into 13, I get 91. Yes. So this is a side work. Yes, that is the answer, please. So you take two practice questions and the answers you can check in next video. Two practice questions. Find SCF of three numbers: 1275, 365, 1450 using Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, this is one question. Find LCM of two numbers: 248, 864 by prime factorization method. Yes, find LCM. So these two answers you can check in the next video. So this chapter, real numbers, first chapter completed. The next video we start new chapter, polynomial, second chapter. Thank you.